Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make handmade volume fans. I'm going to be showing you guys two different methods, and the first one I'm going to be showing you is like here, where I simply pick up the lashes and I place them on the sticky tab and I spread them out from the base. So I'm going to show you guys that method again, just 1 second. I have a nice thin base. And guys, you're going to see me mess up a lot, and it's okay because you will not get a perfect fan every single time. So again, I'm just going to pick up some lashes. I'm going to put them on the sticky tab, and I'm going to spread them from the base. So again, you guys will see me mess up often because making fans is some work. It took me a long time to get here. When I first started lashing, I never did volume lashes and I never did hybrid sets because I could not make a fan. I could not make a fan. It was super hard, and I just, yeah. Well, it's not that I can't make a fan, because of course I had to make them when I was trained, but it was just so difficult. Like, it would take forever to get the perfect fan. And so for a while, I wouldn't even do them. But now I've gotten to a place where I'm extremely comfortable with making them. I feel confident in making them. And I thought I'd make this video to be really helpful because when I started practicing on my own, I would look up YouTube videos, and that's how I was able to get to where I am now. So. You gotta feel me. So right here, guys, this method is the pinching method, and you just simply pinch the base of the lashes, and you want to get that base as thin as you possibly can. It's really simple. It's not hard at all. You can choose or use whichever method works best for you. I just think it's good to always practice different ones because you never know what may fit you best. So yeah, the pinching method is really cool. It's really simple. I never thought to do this in the beginning, but I like it, and I tend to alternate between the pinching method and the first method that I showed you guys.
even dream of you.
So I'm pretty much going to do the same thing throughout the video. I'm either going to show the first method where I flare out the fans on the sticky tab that it comes on, or I'm going to be doing the pinching method. So I'm going to be quiet until the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like more content like this. And just to cry. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When are you good? Just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When are you good? So really quickly guys, if you notice that your lashes are starting to stick to your tweezers, it just means that you have glue that's gotten on your tweezers. So sometimes the glue will actually ride up the stem of the lashes and it'll get stuck to your tweezers. It's no big deal, just scrape it off and you're good to go. I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Wanna love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say
on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crime. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I feel good, just wanna be your girl.
Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope that this helps someone out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.